Welcome back to another happy birthday card tutorial. This is one of my giveaway Thursdays cards, so if you want a chance to win this card, all you need to do is simply like the video and then leave a comment down below. This giveaway will be open for 2 weeks from the posting date. I hope you consider entering. I'd love to give this card to you. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this simple happy birthday card. The first step is to take your pencil and paper and simply draw out the words happy and birthday on the card. A simple way to customize this design would be to simply change the orientation of the text on the card. So instead of having a more vertical portrait style, you could switch the card kind of into a landscape mode or rotation, and that would totally change the look if you wanted it to, of course, have that appearance. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, the next and really final steps of this card are just simply coloring in the letters with your metallic pens. So I decided to make the word happy using my copper pen, and so simply just take your metallic pen and color in the pencil lines that you had just previously drawn. And once I'd completed that, I switched over to my gold metallic pen and simply did a similar process with the word birthday. So I just took the pen and traced over the pencil lines that I had previously drawn. The metallic pens that I'm using here are from Michaels, and they're part of their Recollections metallic pen series. I absolutely love these pens. If you've watched some of my other card tutorials, you'll see that I use them frequently. They're super easy to work with, and they really add kind of some extra sparkle and metallic effect to a rather simple text design happy birthday card. And once you've completed the word birthday using your gold pen, this really simple yet unique happy birthday script card is complete. Thanks for watching.